Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Okay, on today's video, I decided to do my night skincare routine. All the product that I'm gonna use is from BOXYCHARM that I got a long time ago. Some of them they're like 2 months old, 3 months old, so I decided to use it. I don't want to wait till like it's all what do you call that, expired. By the way guys, if you watch my last videos, I changed my background for green. Now it's green. So yeah, I got this fabric from Walmart if I want to change different color for my background. So first we're gonna do is the face mask. Yeah, this is this month, BOXYCHARM this month, so I'm gonna try this one. I'm excited. This one. So this is we're gonna try for tonight skincare. This is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. I'm excited with this. It's really cute packaging. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Oh, it smells yogurt. Alright everyone, done applying it all over my face. So I'm just gonna set my face for, I forgot, 10 minutes and I'll be right back. My face like really cold. This is like hydrate your skin. It's really cold after you apply it into your face. It's really cold, like ice cube that you're like massaging it to your face. That's how I feel on my face right now. Like you grab an ice cube to the refrigerator and start like massaging into your face, like cold, that cold. This is how I feel right now after applying this Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Mask. So yeah, ooh, I'm excited. So I'm just gonna set it for 10 minutes guys, and I'll be right back. Alright, it's been 10 minutes already onto my face, the mask, and I'm gonna just rinse my face and I'll be right back. Okay, done washing my face. Oh, it feels so nice. I can still feel the coldness onto my face. So next is this, what do you call this, Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So I don't know, I have it for so long, I forgot how long I have it, but good thing it's not expired yet. So we're gonna do the eye mask tonight. Oh, it's gold. This is gold. It says gold eye mask. I like the packaging. So I forgot about this though. This is like three pack of eye mask, and yeah, oh my god, it is like gold. You see guys, this is gold. Oh my god, how pretty is that? This is what's look like. And then this is the back, I think. I don't know which one is the front though. I forgot. Let me put, it's so oily. Let me put the oil, the excess oil under my eyes though. Ooh, this feels so nice. One of my favorite skincare is face mask, eye cream, and moisturizer. So those are my favorite skincare. Yeah, those are my favorite skincare. So I don't know how you put this on your eyes. Hold on. It says apply it to my under eyes. That's gonna be messy. I don't know which one is the under eyes. I don't know. Maybe this one. Oh yeah, this one. Oh my god. Oh geez. It smells so good. It's so cold. See guys. You can see that. Oh my god. It is really cold. So we're gonna put the other one. Let's see. Hopefully I do it right. The gold is outside and the soft like cotton is inside. So this is what it looks like, guys. Oh my god, it feels so good. I love it. And it says leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, we're gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and I'll be right back with you guys. So I'm just gonna set it for, I would like to prepare it. I would like to set it for 15 minutes. So yeah, I'll be right back. This is my favorite skincare. After work is done, getting ready for bed, and it's time to do the skincare. Night skincare, whatever, like morning skincare. Favorite. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, so we have to take this up and we're gonna do the next skincare. It smells so good. This eye cream smells really good. It smells really good, guys. So it smells really good. Oh, I don't wanna take it off though. It smells really good. So okay, just set it like that. And next skincare is gonna be the sleeping mask. I love sleeping mask. It's different than the face mask. The face mask is you have to put it on and set it for 15 minutes or 20 minutes and take it off. This sleeping mask is I love it because after you put it into your face, after that you don't have to worry to take it off and you're good to go to sleep because it's kind of like look like what do you call it, moisturizer, face moisturizer, but this is a sleeping mask. Sleeping mask, you just put it in your face and you're good to go. I don't know, I can't say what I'm gonna think. I can't say what I'm gonna say. I have this for a long time. I don't know how long I have it, but good is not expired yet. So I wanna like check everything, my skincare, because I wanna make sure it's like not expired because I don't wanna like waste it and throw it away. I'm gonna feel so sad. So this is that we're gonna use for sleeping mask. This is what it look like, guys. This is the Avant 8 hours radiance renewal sleeping mask. Woo! I love sleeping mask. Sometimes like instead of using the face mask that you have to put it on and take it off, I use this sleeping mask. I'll put a lot because I do love it. This is look like it. And just gonna start putting it on my face. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really good. It smells like remind me one of my lotion. No? The smell. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Danda lang tayo guys kasi may mga natutulog na dito. Yung kabilang kwarto may natutulog na eh. Baka mamaya. Ano na kasi dito eh, 12:49 ng madaling araw. Mag-aalauna na ng madaling araw dito. And dancer's go. You can go ahead, go. Can't see it in the camera. Just doing my skincare. Okay. Are you bored out there? Did you eat?
I had a Cliff Bar and some Doritos. So yeah, that kind of counts as eating.
Yeah. Did you finish the Doritos?
Yeah.
Okay, done with the sleeping mask. Oh, I like that glow look into my skin. Done with the sleeping mask, and let's move on to the next skincare. I do love the shine and glow into my skin. Next is, this is the last one. This is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Night Serum. Ooh. I don't know, I forgot about this. I think I have it for a long time, and the packaging is really good. This is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. Gold lid, and this is what it looks like the bottle. The bottle is glass. Ooh, I don't know how to open it. Just twist it maybe? Oh, they have a applicator. Nice. Oh no, you have to pump it. I opened it wrong. How do you open it? Oh, okay. It's a pump. Nice. Okay, this will look like a little pumps on it. Yay! I'm just gonna start applying it to my face. This is different. Normally, serum is like oil. This is different, like a face cream. The color is yellow. So I'm just gonna start applying it to my face. I think skincare help my skin better. I'm gonna start doing skincare. Ooh, feels so nice. Yep. There you go. Alright everyone, that's it for my night skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching everyone. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notify every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much everyone, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!